In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the ND Lock. After watching this video, you will be able to measure and drill the through-bolt holes to prep the door, install the lock, correctly time the key cam if necessary, and test the lock operation. These are the tools you will need. The ND Lock comes in a variety of models that control how the inside and outside levers operate. These are known as lock functions. However, they are all based on common parts. So, whether your lock has a cylinder on one side, or both, or the inside has a push button, a turn push button, or nothing at all, the steps provided in this video and the instruction sheet can help you install your model properly. We will be installing an ND Lock with the storeroom function, Schlage Model ND80, on a 1 3/4 inch wood door. Most doors will already have the crossbore and edge bore pre-drilled according to the ANSI standard. You will need to measure and drill 2 holes for the through bolts. Open the box and remove the instruction sheet. The first page of the installation instructions contains a diagram labeling all parts. If you are unfamiliar with the names of these parts, you may wish to review this page before continuing. The instruction sheet shows the entrance function, Schlage Model ND53, which only differs from the ND80 storeroom function by the inside push and turn button. The steps to install both locks are the same. Note that actual size drawings of all screws used can be found in the installation instructions. Be sure you use the right screw at each step. Lift the tray containing the strike, keys, and screw pack to reveal the lock assembly, rose, and latch. To drill the 2 through-bolt holes, fold the included paper template and place it against the door. The template must be folded according to the bevel of your door. There are fold lines for flat or no bevel, high bevel, and low bevel. If you are unsure of the bevel of your door, use the tape measure to measure one side, and then the other. If the measurements are the same, the door has no bevel. If the measurements are different, the longer side is the high bevel, and the shorter side is the low bevel. Hold the template against the door so that you can see the outline of the 2 1/8 inch hole from the other side. Then, use a punch to mark the 5/16 inch holes on the top and bottom. For more convenient and consistent door prep, the optional universal clamp and door plate is available. See your Schlage service manual for more information. Carefully drill the holes with the 5/16 inch drill bit. Install the latch, ensuring that the bevel of the latch is facing the doorstop so that the door will close properly when installation is complete. Secure with the 2 screws. Measure the thickness of your door to determine if the lock needs to be adjusted to your door thickness. If your door is 1 3/4 inches thick, no adjustment is necessary. If your door is 1 3/8 inches thick, confirm that you have 2 metal spacers. You will use these during lock installation. If your door is 1 5/8 inches, 2 inches, or 2 1/8 inches thick, an adjustment to the lock chassis is required. See the instruction sheet for more information. Lift the lock assembly from the box and remove the inside lever and spring cage. Then, remove the anti-rotation plate, using caution when working it past the plastic installation aid. Install the outside assembly. Ensure that the prongs of the latch fit between the slide and the slide clip of the retractor. If the prongs are not properly positioned, the latch could bind or become damaged and may result in a lockout or lock-in condition. Install the anti-rotation plate. You may feel some resistance as you push it over the plastic installation guide. Be sure the tab on the anti-rotation plate lines up with the indent on the retractor. Remove the inside lever from the spring cage by placing the lever on a flat surface as shown. Then insert the pin wrench to depress the lever catch and pull the lever up and off. Install the spring cage, ensuring that the lever catch faces the door edge. Secure with the 2 screws. Place the inside rose over the spring cage, aligning the dimple on the rose with the groove on the spring cage. Then, turn the rose clockwise until it stops. Install the inside lever. Use the pin wrench to press the lever catch while pushing the lever on until you hear a click. If a key cylinder was ordered with the ND lock, it will already be installed in the outside lever. If the lock was ordered without a cylinder, the key cam inside of the lock must be in the correct position for the cylinder to work properly. This is known as timing the key cam. If you wish to skip the instructions for locks ordered without a cylinder, advance the video to 8:05. If your lock will use a standard cylinder, remove the outside lever by using the pin wrench to depress the lever catch and pulling outward on the lever. If your lock will use an interchangeable core cylinder, leave the outside lever in place. For the standard cylinder, insert the screwdriver into the key cam and turn counterclockwise until it stops. Then, ensure the points of the key cam are positioned sideways. Turn the key cam clockwise if necessary. For the interchangeable core, insert the screwdriver into the key cam and turn counterclockwise until it stops. Then, turn the cam clockwise until the points are straight up and down. For the standard cylinder, insert it into the back of the outside lever. Then insert the key and turn it 90 degrees. Install the lever using the pin wrench to depress the lever catch and push until you hear a click. If your lock does not allow you to remove the key, remove the cylinder and lever. Turn the key 180 degrees in either direction and reinstall the lever. For the interchangeable core, insert the tailpiece into the cylinder, ensuring the blade of the tailpiece aligns with the keyway. Then, insert the key labeled Control and turn it clockwise until it stops. This will lower the retaining pin. Insert the cylinder into the lever and then turn the key counterclockwise until it stops. Remove the key. For other keyed functions, see the ND timing guide. Some functions may have special timing instructions. Install the strike onto the frame and secure with the 2 screws. Be sure to use the included strike plate so that the dead latching pin will be depressed when the door is closed. Test the operation of your lock by turning the inside lever and ensuring the latch fully retracts. For the ND80 function, the outside lever should always be locked. Insert the key and turn it in either direction to retract the latch. Ensure the latch fully retracts. If you are unsure how your lock model should operate, see the service manual for a description. Close the door and be sure that the latch engages with the strike